If I got you, you got me. It don't matter what they say. They just wish that they could be.
Hey guys, so I actually did a video of my son's first day of school, actually day 1 and day 2, but I just really didn't like how that video ended up coming out because I kept forgetting to show like parts of the day like after he got home. So I think I'm gonna do a round 2 of this, but I'm going to just call this maybe a get ready with him or my son's day of school or something. I don't know what I'm gonna call this video yet, but it's actually Sunday night and it's like 11 something at night. He's actually sleeping already in bed. He got in bed at 9 o'clock. I actually just went and like freshened up so I can get in bed. I slicked down my edges. My hair, I washed it and I didn't flat iron it or anything, so it's like completely natural and bushy, but I put it in a bun. I just slicked down my edges in the front and put my scarf on, and I'm pretty much ready for bed. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna restart this day, like whole video thing over. So yeah, I'm gonna actually try and lay down and get some sleep because as you guys can see, your girl is crusty and super tired right now. So yeah, I'm glad my sonny is asleep. He went to bed with no problems or anything like that. I normally give him a bath at night, but tonight we just didn't do that part. So just gonna get washed up and stuff in the morning and get dressed. I already have his clothes picked out. If you guys don't, well, of course you guys don't know because the video didn't come out, but over here is shoes, and down here is his clothes. I just find it for the week and put it in like this little bin for now. I have this other creation in mind. I just haven't went to go get the stuff, like the stuff that I need, so I just stick all his clothes for the week in here. I just go ahead and find all his clothes for the week, stick them in there, and his shoes that he's gonna wear for the week, but these are just like his other shoes in these two here. I have a whole nother setup that I'm planning on doing with his stuff, but I probably won't get to that until next week. If I, you know, do it or whatever, I might do a video on it. I'm not completely sure because it's like super easy and super simple. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling now and go to bed because I have to get up at 7 o'clock in the morning to get my son up. I said I might get up at 7:20. I'm not sure if I just go ahead and get up at 7 o'clock in the morning since I do have to give him a bath. I mean, well, like a wash up and stuff in the morning. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe down below as always. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. Come on, baby.
Where are we going?
Just cool. My mommy's up with us this morning.
Oh, what's about the book? Good morning.
Yeah. So he's already dressed and it's only 7:25. So we're just gonna sit until 7:45.
Hold me.
This is why I said I should start getting up at 7:20 because it's a lot of time sitting. But we're done. He's dressed. His book bag is already set. I do that at night. So yeah, there's really nothing else to show you guys. But that's how we do in the morning. We get dressed, put on the shoes, all that good stuff. So yeah, see you guys when we walk into the bus stop. It's like almost 3:40. I'm gonna go to the bus stop at like 3:50 since my mom is taking me to the bus stop to get him, and we actually drove him to the bus stop this morning, so that's why I didn't show you guys us walking up there. So I just got dressed. I had to redo my hair because my rubber band popped, but I'm gonna show you guys my outfit really quickly, even though this video is technically not about me, but yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what I threw on. Okay, hopefully you guys can see. I just threw on like this body suit, and I just got my white socks on and Nike slides with like this little, I don't know what this thing is called, but it's actually my mom's and she let me borrow it. So this is just the fit for today, and it comes down super long in the back. But yeah, this is what it looks like here. And I also got my little cousin dressed, and she just has on like this pink heart shirt and some jeans, and she's gonna put her shoes on so she can go to the bus stop with us. Don't mind her hair has to be redone, but yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys probably him getting off the bus. I don't know, it's a little awkward filming and stuff like that, but I'm going to try whatever, and then I'm gonna have him probably tell you guys about his day. Technically after I drop my son off, or after he gets on the bus stop and stuff, I normally come back home, maybe eat, and then I eventually go back to sleep. So that's all. That's why I didn't really show you guys anything that I do when I get back home. I am going to start filming in the morning so that way I can have videos ready and stuff like that. Hot in here, but it's a little cool outside because it's supposed to rain again today. So yeah. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. Right now we're just practicing his numbers.
Hey guys.
The pants wore down.
They put it down here then.
Yes, we have. Let me down, but
If your pots don't look like that, you ain't cooked it. I'm ready. He got a bath, like clothes on, brushed his teeth.
What's wrong with that pack?
She brushed her teeth. Let me get some.
Have some snack.
So now they want a
That's
snack.
the fakest hoe
I don't
ever.
think I'm gonna give them snacks since they just brushed their teeth.
I want a popsicle.
But yeah, you guys, this is the end of the video.
I got one popsicle.
See you guys next video.
Can't see.
These kids are driving me
bye-bye.
crazy. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.